When you set up your new company file in QuickBooks, you're not going to have a bank account. So what you want to do is you want to go into your chart of accounts. So in this case, I'm going to pick on the company menu up top, company, and I'll pick on chart of accounts. So when I look at this list, even if I sort it by the type, we don't see a bank account there yet. So we're going to add a new account into the chart of accounts, which will be your bank. I'm going to come down here and pick on account, and we'll do a new account. So you're going to pick on the bank type over here, and we'll pick on continue. You want to give your account a name. So let's just say this is my main business account. Let's say main business checking account. And you can put a description, so maybe that is with 123 Bank of USA. Now, if you have your account number, you would type that in there. If you have your routing number, you can type that in there. Typically, you're going to make it a cash account, although check with your accountant to make sure you pick your proper tax line mapping for that. Now, if you have an opening balance, you'll click here. And so let's just say, for argument's sake, I'll type in $10,000. And let's say the ending date was 2/28. And we'll click on OK. And it says, remind me to order checks when I reach the check number. So if you're ordering the checks from Intuit, then you might put a reasonable check number. Otherwise, I might put a really high check number, so they're not going to bother with that too much. And I can order checks directly right from here to be used with QuickBooks. At that point, I'll pick on Save and Close. Now, as it says, some bank accounts will allow you to coordinate with them with the online services. So a lot of the large banks have downloads directly made for QuickBooks. So if that's the case, you can go ahead and pick on Yes here. Otherwise, I'll pick on No. And now notice how we have a new bank account. So what I did was I went into the chart of accounts and we added a new account. I picked on account and then new, and then made sure on this screen we chose bank. Now when I go back to the home screen of QuickBooks, at this point when we record the deposits or the write to checks, it's going to come from that main banking account. So hopefully you have an idea of how to add a bank account onto your QuickBooks.